Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to make
juicy text effect, just like that.
I never thought I'd feel like this.
Watch full video and please subscribe my channel. First text anything and follow the process. Now press P for position and follow the process. Trace track matte to the title or just an alpha matte. Now go to Effect, Distortion. Aptly turbulent displace. Set the amount. And click the stopwatch for revolution. Type in time. Go to Effect, Generate, Fill. Change the color to whatever you want. Now duplicate this layer 2 times. And change the fill colors for each layer. Lastly, offset the layers, in time by a few frames in.
You watch more video like this. Please subscribe to my channel.